Hello! Today I'm going to share how to make this cute crochet mesh sling bag. Peaceful hands, beautiful crafts. Let's start. First of all, you have to make a slip knot. Then make a chain of 63 chains, then add 3 chains. You can change the number as you wish by using multiples of 3. Once finished, count 9 chains. Then make a triple crochet on the 9th chain count. Pay attention to the steps. Add 2 chains. Then make a triple crochet, skip 2 chains. Then insert the triple crochet on count 3. Pay attention to the steps. Add 2 more chains. Skip 2 chains. Make triple crochet again. Do it until the end of the chain. If you counted later, there will be 20 net motifs. Next, we will create a new line. Make 6 chains. Then turn over. Skip 2 chains. Make a triple crochet. Continue the pattern until finished. If you are at the end of the line, skip to CH, then enter it in the 3rd count. Repeat until there are 10 rows. You have to add 1 chain to lock, then cut it. The length will be 20. The width will be 10 net motifs. After one side of the bag is finished, you have to make one more side. Once both sides are finished, it's time to put the 2 sides together. Pick up the 2 stitches of the front and back pieces at the same time, hook the thread out, and weave a chain stitch. Make 6 triple crochets. Insert them in the TH row, then close them in the next row. Make 6 triple crochets, then slip stitch in the next row. Dot. Make it until the surroundings are full. Let's fill all sides. After making the perimeter, it's time for the top. The top is made with 2 sides. After the 5 group is completed, knit 15 chain stitches in the middle as a buttonhole, and crochet 5 more groups of patterns on the remaining stitches. Knit 5 groups of pattern on the top of the back piece. After the chain is completed, crochet a pull-out stitch on the other side of the bag body. Continue to crochet 200 chain stitches, as the strap, or the length, can be adjusted by yourself. After the chain is completed, crochet a pull-out stitch on the other side of the bag body. Make another chain using the back of the chain. After the main body of the bag is completed, sew a button on the front. And here are the results. You can also add decorations, such as keychains. And that's it, your crochet sling bag is ready. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more crochet and handmade projects from Twist and Blossom.